Breastfeeding after a C-section can feel challenging at first, but with the right guidance and support, it is absolutely possible and highly beneficial for both mother and baby. If you've delivered your baby through a cesarean section, this video will help you understand how to start breastfeeding comfortably and confidently. After a C-section, your body needs time to recover from surgery. You may experience pain, stiffness, or fatigue, which can make breastfeeding feel overwhelming. The key is to begin gently and be patient with yourself. Breastfeeding can usually be started within the first hour or two after birth, even after a C-section, with assistance from medical staff. Choosing the right breastfeeding position is especially important. Positions that avoid pressure on your incision can make feeding much more comfortable. The side-lying position allows you to lie on your side while your baby feeds, reducing strain on your abdomen. The football or clutch hold is another excellent option, where the baby is tucked under your arm instead of resting on your stomach. Using pillows for support can make a big difference. Pain management plays a vital role in successful breastfeeding. Don't hesitate to take prescribed pain relief medications that are safe for breastfeeding. Managing pain helps you relax, which in turn supports better milk flow and let down. Remember, stress and discomfort can temporarily affect milk supply. Your milk may take a little longer to come in after a C-section, especially if labor was stressful or prolonged. This is normal. Frequent breastfeeding or skin-to-skin contact encourages your body to produce more milk. Feed your baby on demand, aiming for at least 8 to 12 feedings in 24 hours. Proper latch is crucial to prevent nipple pain and ensure your baby gets enough milk. Bring your baby to your breast rather than leaning forward. Watch for signs of effective feeding, such as rhythmic sucking and swallowing, and a satisfied baby after feeds. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Lactation consultants, nurses, or experienced family members can provide valuable guidance. Emotional support is just as important as physical recovery, so surround yourself with encouragement. Most importantly, remember that every mother's journey is unique. Breastfeeding after a C-section may take time, but with patience, practice, and support, you can build a strong and healthy breastfeeding relationship with your baby. Trust your body, take care of yourself, and know that you are doing an amazing job.